Well, today we're talking about the Defense Base Act and DBA insurance rates in 2022. What can you expect? We're going to talk about that in this video. For all my defense contracting friends keeping good tabs on what the Defense Base Act insurance rates look like as time progresses, we're going to talk today about some factors that we believe will affect the rates in 2022. The first thing I'd like to bring up is that really the market has continued to evolve when it comes to the number of companies that are offering DBA insurance. Consequently, that means more competition is in the marketplace, which drives rates down over time. In fact, we would say that this market right now for DBA insurance rates is as competitive as it ever has been in recent history. We have seen some adjustments when it comes to rates based on the class of business that your company engages in or what the scope of work is for the particular project that you're on. Construction, general services, and linguists and security, those are the four main classes of business that we see. As far as construction and general services are concerned, those rates continue to inch lower this year. We anticipate a 25 or 50 cent decrease in rate. And then those linguists and security professionals, we do see a little bit of an increase coming. Obviously, with the situation we had this past year in Afghanistan and other areas, those two classes of business will in general see a little bit of an increase when it comes to the rate in 2022. As far as the world at large is concerned and where the United States does have active contracts, really just Afghanistan and Syria are going to see that surchargeable zone of special danger that we're all accustomed to seeing. The rates in those two countries will be higher if we are able to get back into Afghanistan on a contractual basis in the coming year. You will see that be a higher rate or the highest rate that the companies would offer. All other areas of the world are relatively flat. We've seen no other fluctuation in rates based on areas. Asia Minor might be getting a little bit more difficult, but for the most part, Europe and the other areas in South America and Latin America are not seeing any major increases for the coming year. So finally, to talk more specifically, your general services, which is everything from landscaping to elevator contractors to you name it, any services that the U.S. embassies may need abroad, those rates are typically in the $2 to $3 per $100 in payroll. Now, if we get into the construction classes, anything that's generic construction is going to be somewhere between $5 and $8 per hundred, again, depending on what it is that you specifically do. Engineering services may fall on the lower end. Anything that's above 15 feet in work height or below 15 feet under the ground, you will see a little bit of an elevated rate for those two areas. Other than that, that $5 to $8 per hundred in payroll will be probably the most accurate reflection of the rate for you. And then linguists and security professionals, those are still the highest rated class codes, especially linguists that are in the field and interpreting for U.S. interests abroad. You'll see those at $15+ per hundred in payroll. Of course, every business is unique, and so if you have specific questions about your projects or planned bids in 2022, don't hesitate to reach out and give us a call. We stand ready to help you in whatever areas of the world that you may be entering in the coming year. On behalf of all of us here at Callahan & Rice Insurance Group, thanks for watching.